Ang natin sila na si Ana,
joyful.
May wish ba ha? Makakarating yan ng Israel? Don't forget to like and subscribe and to follow Fun Travel Adventure. Pa-check, kain na. Makakarating yan ng Israel. Ayan, correct. Makakarating yan ng Israel.
Hi guys!
Kain na kayo.
What do you want? Ha? Ayun salad.
Kakain na ako.
Huling-huli. Huling-huli lahat eh.